What's up, you guys? It's your girl Amber K back with another video, and this time I'm going to show you how to make cuticle oil. So let me tell you, I wasn't even gonna sell. I'm gonna sell them, but at first I wasn't gonna sell cuticle oil because look how small these bottles is. They're cute though. They're 5 ml. If you want to purchase a cuticle oil from me, just click the link down below in the description box. You'll get yourself a natural cuticle oil. First thing you're going to do is wash your filthy hands. So the first thing we're going to use jojoba oil or jojoba oil, however you want to pronounce it. Coconut oil, and then some vitamin E oil. These are 5 ml bottles. They're so tiny. And then the droppers. So yeah, I'm gonna put some rose petals in there as well, but these look brown. I wanted them red. I'm not gonna put a lot anyway, so it takes up too much space in the bottle, and they're already tiny. And then we're gonna put some essential oil, vanilla, pomegranate. This actually smells real good. I'm gonna squeeze some vitamin E oil first, like 4 drops. You don't need a lot of this oil because a lot of people say that you don't need a lot of this oil, but whatever. Maybe 5, 6. These right here are for my face scrubs. Stay tuned for that. I'm just gonna squeeze. First of all, it's not even open. Yeah, squeeze. Just like that. Then I'm gonna squeeze some coconut oil. So I'm basically going to squeeze a little bit more of everything in here. It's 9 bottles that I have to fill. 9 bottles that got to be filled. So we're going to just squeeze 1 drop of the essential oil because it's so, like, the fragrance is really high. Wait. This thing doesn't squeeze. Okay, we don't have time for that. Just use this. 1 drop, maybe 2. So I'm gonna fill the rest of these and then I'll be back. So you can't put too much of the rose petals in there, but this is how it looks, because then it defeats the purpose. My next video might be how I label my stuff. You don't want to fold it up all the way because you still have to put the cover in. It looks cute or whatever. So these are the finished product. People prefer their cuticle oil clear. Not me. I've always known cuticle oil to be like a yellowish color. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe.
and I'll see you guys in the next video.